Ladies and gentlemen, Kamakawa, it's your boy M4J Official, aka the Boss Babas. Thank you for joining me one more time. A big shout out to my fans, my family, my subscribers, and everybody watching this. And we say thank you for Instagram because our page has been verified. Go ahead and follow our page. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's M4J Official, because you have made it successful. You have made me come to this point. I love you. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, because we shall be bringing more and more inspirational music and more good gospel music, aka Christian music. We are now verified.
Wajamini jumaisha panda shuka, yalinumiza kiasi cha kupaga waya. Mimi nilishtuka, nakumbuka nilikuwa nimefika classics, nikaomba God life iwe classic. Jehova akafanya yangu iwe unique, from glory to glory. Nakumbuka tulikuwa tuko furu